Lord, you are worthy.
Worthy to be praised. are worthy.